The GF65 Thin is here, bringing great gaming performance in a light and compact package. Included in the GF65 Thin box are accessories such as the AC power adapter and cord, warranty registration card, and user guide, and of course, the laptop itself. On one side of the brushed aluminum finished laptop, we find the power and HDMI ports, and on the other, we find two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C and another two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports. Alongside the USB ports lie an Ethernet port, a Kensington lock port, and a combo audio jack. Topside, there's a backlit keyboard with multi-touch touchpad below it, and a 720p webcam in the display bezel. The 15.6-inch IPS level display panel has a 1920 by 1080 resolution and up to an optional 144Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, we find up to an Intel Core i7-9750H processor, up to an RTX 2060 GPU, both kept cool thanks to our Cooler Boost 5 technology. It also comes equipped with an optional 16 gigs of RAM and expandable M.2 SSD storage to ensure a quick and fluid gaming experience even in the most demanding AAA game titles. Running benchmarks in Rainbow Six Siege and Shadow of the Tomb Raider on the highest quality preset showed Rainbow Six Siege averaging about 182 frames per second and Shadow of the Tomb Raider averaging 75 FPS. Keep in mind that our GF65 Thin used in this video is running on a GeForce GTX 1660 Ti GPU, so you can expect even better performance if you opt for the GeForce RTX 2060 model. The GF65 Thin is extremely light, weighing in at only 4.1 pounds with dimensions of about 14 inches in length, close to 10 inches in depth, and less than 1 inch in height with the lid closed. Taste victory wherever you go with the GF65 Thin.
For the new OMEN laptop, our goal was to equip gamers with the ultimate machine that allows them to dominate from anywhere. With the latest Intel Core processors, you can conquer the competition through unstoppable performance, all within a sleek form factor.
I am the angel of death.
Inspired by the intake of a high-performance race car, the grids and vents are strategically located on the bottom and sides of the OMEN laptop to provide continual airflow to the internal components. High-res display options equip you with fast reaction times and increased accuracy that take performance to the next level. Gaming keys are designed to guide the fluid movements of the gamer and drive peak performance.
No one can stop death.
With the addition of a VR headset, gamers can step inside a world of complete immersion for an elevated gaming experience. With upgradability at your fingertips, you can feel confident with a system that's always ready to push you towards victory. Take on anyone from anywhere with the new OMEN laptop.